consider reading a book and being compensated $100 to write a review of it. It's true that certain websites will pay you to write book reviews, and the greatest thing is that you may pick the books based on your personal preferences. I'll outline 5 websites for you today where you can get paid to review books. Do not skip the third website on our list because it pays $5 for each book you review there, even if it is not accepted. Additionally, compared to other websites, the 5th website will pay you extra for each book you review. You don't need any talents for this, so watch the video through to the end if you want to make the greatest money. The books are available on these websites. You only need to read the book in order to provide your opinion, and you can choose which books you review. But first, before we proceed, welcome to Make Money Online, where I'll be showing you how to make money online in the simplest ways possible. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell and hit that like button. Let's proceed to the video now. Okay, so kirkusreviews.com is the first website on our list. This is a fantastic website that pays you to read books and write reviews. You've probably seen the Kirkus reviews for many of the Kindle novels that are offered by Amazon. As you can see, Kirkus is a highly regarded and well-liked website for its excellent reviews. So this website is entirely legit. The payment per book review is not specified on their website. However, in my experience, there are a variety of ways to get compensated for book reviews on the website. The good news is that you can choose the books according to your preferences if you hover your mouse over book reviews. There are numerous book genres to choose from. Numerous more book categories include fiction, thrillers and suspense, mysteries and detective stories, romance, history, and non-fiction. And this is where you can select the books from the View All option. Select the genre you want to follow on the following page. For instance, if you choose business, Kirkus will display every book in that genre that is accessible for you to read and review in order to make money. Additionally, you may refine the search by ratings and subgenres. Additionally, you may find their Kirkus Reviews magazine by hovering your mouse over the magazine. Additionally, you will gain a lot of exposure if your evaluations are published in this publication. Large exposure also equals big bucks. Now, registering on Kirkus is a challenging procedure. I need your undivided attention to get the spark. I want you to do this by typing the website address kirkusreviews.com/about/careers into your keyboard and pressing enter. This page will be opened for you. As you can see, you may start a book review blog and find freelance writing job from any location. You have 2 weeks to read the book before posting a review, and you may do so in both English and Spanish online. After that, you must write a 350-word review of the book. You must submit your CV along with writing samples, which might be a 350-word review of any book, in order to be considered for the position of book reviewer. And on the mail sent over here, a list of Kirkus reviewing specialties. They will then examine your samples, and if you are chosen, you can begin working with them and earning money. readsy.com/discovery is the second website on our list. Ensure that you visit the correct website by using. This is how the website's dashboard will seem. As you can see, you can find novels in a variety of genres, including fantasy, romance, science fiction, and others. Now I want you to select the reviewer's link at the website's top. You will then be sent to this page from there. On this website, you will be paid slightly less than on other websites, but you will have access to a huge selection of brand new books for free. The fact part over here will lead you to the following website if you click on it. As you can see, a book review should be at least 300 words long. But the absence of book review quotas is a good thing. You are free to read and review books whenever you like, and the website will pay you via a Stripe account. One of the most well-known payment processors is Stripe, and using this link, you can determine whether or not it is accepted in your country. If it's available in your nation, you can go to this page and select the Apply to Become a Reviewer button. You must now enter your email address, first and last names, set a password, and click the Continue button. Then you must fill out some additional straightforward information, such as a brief introduction and how many books you read annually. You must then submit your sample reviews to the website. After being approved, you can begin earning money through the service by reading books. Booklistonline.com is the third website on our list at this point. This is Booklist Online's dashboard. Even if the author rejects your review, this website will still pay you $5 per book you evaluate. Keep watching, and I'll demonstrate for you. As you can see, you may discover books to read in a variety of genres here. Adult fiction, adult non-fiction, graphic novels, etc. are a few examples. To earn money reading books on this website, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Write for Us beneath the About section. You'll be directed to the following page. You may learn everything you need to know about using booklistonline.com and how to get paid to read books here. We must arrange our review content appropriately when writing reviews for books on Booklist because school and public library staff are their target audiences. Each book will require a varied amount of time for reading and reviewing, and you must finish the assignment before the deadline. Additionally, be sure to write original information and avoid using any plagiarized material. Currently, Booklist pays $15 for each review, as you can see here. Additionally, you will get paid $5 for each book review you submit, even if it is rejected. You won't need to worry about this because they will also walk you through the procedure and writing style for Booklist. You may also see the reviews the freelancer has written collaborating with booklistonline.com. The reviewers option is located at the bottom of the website, where you can access their reviews. Read the unlimited review here. You can register yourself on this website by sending an email to this address, which is over here on the right. This will help you better understand how Booklist.com works. The usreview.com is our fourth website right now. Although they haven't disclosed how much they pay per book review, this is also one of the most well-known websites for book reviews. However, in my experience, they can pay anything from $15 to $60 for each book you review here. You can also locate a variety of books to read and evaluate. You must visit this website, the usreview.com, to learn how to generate money online and to sign up. You will be sent to this page by using the user reviewer HTML. You can find all the details about the work of book reviewers right here. As you can see, each book review requires between 250 and 300 words. To get a taste of their reviewing approach, click on this highlighted review. They want you to be objective and factual in your reviews. Examples will take you to the page where you may select the book reviews you want to read in order to get a feel for the website's writing style. You must now send your resume along with some sample book reviews to the email address listed here in order to register yourself on the website. onlinebookclub.org is the fifth and last website on our list. One of the reliable sources for book reviews is this one. As you can see, this is already onlinebookclub.org, and they frequently offer books for free or at steep discounts. And not only are these novels exceptional, but they also have high ratings. Each month, they give away prizes worth more than $1,000. And all you have to do to enter these freebies is enter your email address, type free in this box, and click the submit button to sign up for their announcements. You have numerous opportunities to win this $1,000 contest because they conduct giveaways each month. And now you must visit the website onlinebookclub.org/free-books-for-reviews.php in order to earn money by posting reviews on this platform. For your first review, you will just receive books, but after that, you will be eligible to receive payments ranging from $5 to $60 for each review you submit to the website. Simply enter your email address in this box, type the word free in this field, then click the submit button to register as a reviewer on the website. Following that, you will be able to earn money by reading, reviewing, and discussing books. That's it for today's video. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video.